This is chapter 4, section 3, problem 35. Measurements were made for a sample of adult men. A regression line was fit to predict the men's arm span from their height. The output from the several statistic technologies is provided. So it looks like they did some things from StatCrunch and got some other data from TI 84, 83, then put it all on the same page. The scatter plot confirms that the association between the arm span and the height, is a linear relation here. The association is linear. Complete parts A and B. Report. So we have our data here. How do we get this chart? Well, you can click on it here and it gives it to us. Report the predicted equation for predicting the arm span from the height. Use words such as arm span, not just X and Y. So we look at our data here. You see a relationship in this first box here, the regression equation is the arm span plus the y-intercept plus the slope times input of the height. You can see that the input here is the height and the output is in the arm span. So this gives us the equation here. We can copy it in. Then they say round to 3 decimal places if needed. And explain how to find the slope and y-intercept just from the inspection here. That's what they're looking at. So in this one here, now that we have that equation, they give us the equation there. So we look at it, we can see that the slope is the number being multiplied by the height, and the y-intercept is the constant in the equation. Explain that. And then you look at another box here. Explain how to find the slope and the y-intercept for the displayed output. Choose the correct one there. So if you look at this second box here, in the fourth line, we see our regression equation. So we see that the slope is being multiplied by the height, and the y-intercept is a constant. Yeah. And the next one here, explain how to find the slope in the third box here. In this case, how to find the slope and the y-intercept. In this one here, it gives us the coefficients for that equation. Okay, so we have the y-intercept there, and the coefficient for the x term. In this case, the coefficient for the height. The slope is the coefficient, is the x variable value there. The intercept is the intercept value. In this last box here, explain how to find the slope and y-intercept displayed for the displayed output. In this case, it's given in terms of y equal mx plus b. You can see what the a and the b and the r squared. So in this case, you can see that a represents the intercept and b represents the slope. Okay, and that's the input, that one there.